What's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another plus size video for you guys. This is going to be from Lovely Wholesale, so let's get into it. Alright guys, let's jump right into this haul. So this first piece that I got, it's like a two-piece tie-dye set. I absolutely love this set. It's so cute. Like, I just love all the colors. If you guys watch my videos, you already know that your girl is very colorful. I'll put the camera down so you guys can see this in its full entirety. I absolutely love this. This is giving me like Cancun vibes, vacation vibes. Yes, we're about to get this vacation on and popping. It is an extra large. It stretchy. Did look a little bit more loose. It was supposed to be one of those like baggy shirts, you know, kind of loose fitting. You know, I'm going to the store or I'm just lounging around kind of thing. But it turned out to be tight. So I'll show you guys the material so you guys can see it right here. So you see, it's still like that material that when you stretch, it might give way a little bit. Your girl is good. We got the thighs in there, we got the boobies in there, and we got the booty in there. So we are in business. I'll do a little walk for you guys so you can see this. Alright guys, let's get into outfit number 2. So this is just a shirt I got from Rainbows. That's not what we're talking about today. We are talking about Lovely Wholesale. So I got these pants from there. Now I got these in a large because I read the reviews and it said that it is, you know, super stretchy and sized down. So I did. And I mean, it's good. It's just that these are the type that, like I said, when you stretch them, you see that white glare? So they're not really holding their true color. The true color should be like a burgundy. Should be like this color right here, sorta. This is kind of like a burnt rust, but you guys get the idea. They do come all the way down. They are super long. So you will have to have like some heels or something, or some really high kicks, you know, or something like that. But I like these pants a lot. Like when I seen it on the model, it actually looked like jeans. Like they look like they were supposed to be, you know, stretchy jeans, and they should zip up. So that's what I thought I was getting, but no, I got spandex. The only thing I don't like about these is that they should have completed the heart right here. So now I'm stuck with this white dot. So I think that's super weird. You guys also know I absolutely love bell bottoms, and that's what these are. I hope you guys can see this in there. They're super wide leg, super bell bottom. So I absolutely am loving that. Like, oh, so cute. Yes, I love this. I am so here for this. I am so here for this. All right, let's get into outfit number 3. Okay, outfit number 3. Yes, I have the same shirt on, but listen, we're doing Lovely Wholesale. And we're talking about these Bermuda shorts, which I absolutely love. I was amazed because I read the reviews, and like I said, when you shop on stores like that, you really have to read the reviews to figure out whether these items are gonna fit you or not. And sometimes I take a stab at it and it don't fit, it's too loose or too tight. And other times I'm a win-win. So with these Bermuda shorts, they're white. I love this because I don't really have a pair of like white, and I don't even own a pair of Bermuda shorts. So this was a plus for me. So I love these. They got rip detailing going on right here. Like you could tell I'm super excited because, like I said, I never had a pair of Bermuda shorts. I got these in a extra large. So everything that I got is in an extra large, so we don't have to worry about what size it is. So I'll just do a little walk for you guys so you can see that. They do have a lot of stretch. So in the reviews, it pretty much was saying, you know, size down or whatever, and they're super stretchy, and you know, you can size down. So I took a stab and I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go with this extra large and see what's popping. So it's definitely popping. They fit. I have room in them, but you know, I don't know. I don't want to gain no more weight, so I just want to stay the weight sort of that I am, or lose a little, but we'll get into that in another video. So I'm just gonna do another walk for you guys so you guys can see. from Lovely Wholesale do have real pockets, so you ain't got to worry about those faux pockets. I love these pants in general. And guys, everything was super cheap. I'm going to leave the links down below so you guys can click on it. They're having a sale. I believe it was like up to 70% off, if I'm not mistaken, maybe even 80% off. Like all these things I got, they were like super cheap. So I want you guys to be in on it too. So go ahead, click that link down below in the description box if you guys want to get any of these items, okay? On to the next one. Okay guys, let's get into this outfit because my guy, this is definitely popping. Like, yo, I absolutely love this. You guys already know I'm super colorful, and these sunflowers, I think the bees are definitely going to be coming to me, honey, because this dress is on fire. The flowers look so real. Like, let me come up close so you guys can see this. Can you guys see this? Look at the detail on this. Like, this is amazing. They really did their thing with this. Lovely Wholesale definitely did their thing with this dress. I do want to say that it is stretchy, very stretchy. And like I said, I got this in an extra large. So, you know, it's expected. And, you know, you got a little gut going on. It's okay. You can just make a little ruching yourself, you know, do a little something like this. Voila. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. And it does come all the way down, not to your ankles, but it does come, I'll show you. It does come like almost to your ankles. So you guys can see that. But yes, darling, I am loving this. Can you guys see my face? Loving it. Yeah, but this dress is super stretchy. Like I said, an extra large, super cheap. So you guys want to check that out, go ahead and click the links down below. I'll leave it in the description box. But let me go ahead and do a walk for you guys so you guys can see this whole thing in its entirety. Alright guys, and last but not least, what I got from Lovely Wholesale. You're never gonna guess. Okay, maybe you will guess. So I got this wig. I got this wig from Lovely Wholesale, and it was very shiny. I'll come closer. You can still see the shine in it. It does tangle. It's pretty smooth, but see, like, it does tangle a bit. And it does shed. It really does shed. Like, it's not too bad with the tangles, but you guys get the gist. It's like that baby doll hair, you know, that really shiny baby doll hair. But the colors are popping. Like, these colors are legit fire. So it's not a half wig. It's not a what do you call those? It's not a headband wig. I actually turned it into a headband wig, and if you guys want to see a video on that, I can definitely do that. And if you don't want to see a video on that, I might just do it anyways. So, but yes, that's what I did. I left my hair out right here. It's actually slipping off, but you guys can see that. Do you see that? Look at that parting. Like, what the hell? Like, what is up with that? Like, that's looking like ash. That's not even looking good, guys. So, I mean, you can put some concealer in it. You can pluck it and try to make it a little bit wider, try to make it realistic. But this wig for me was definitely, let's throw a headband on. I put some baby powder in it to try to, you probably could see the baby powders. Okay, you can't see it. I did get some on my headband, but, oh, and I did get these headbands, which I have a whole bunch of them. I'll probably do a review on that from Amazon, but we're not getting into that. We're talking about Lovely Wholesale. So this wig was super cheap, and if you guys just want something to throw on and go to the store, throw on and go to the gym and look cute, you know, like you just, you know, nice and pressed. Look at it, flowing. Hold up, look at that flow. And I want to say that it's heat resistant. I did not try to put heat on it, but with this baby doll hair, we all know baby doll hair melts, okay? So if you're gonna put heat on it, be easy on it. Don't go in on it, okay? So I just took the liberty of taking out some of my baby hairs, and I just laid that down. I did a little sideburn. I don't know what I was thinking. Listen, I'm not the guru of all of this, but I try, right? That's all we could do is try, right? But yes, I like it. I really like it. I like the colors. I don't care what anybody thinks. You know, it's a wig. We all know it's not your hair. So, you know, it's okay. I think it's okay. I think you should just rock out with it. I'll give you a little close-up of the hair so you guys can see it. So all in all, I think this haul went pretty well. Like, all my clothes fit. I was okay with that. I'm happy with them. They're vibrant, they're pretty, they're stretchy. So if you do gain weight, you're okay. But yes, this was so good. Like, lovely wholesale haul that I just did was so good that I really think that I'm gonna go ahead and do another lovely wholesale haul. Like, I'm about to buy some more clothes from there. You know, I've been skimming on it here and there because I'm like, I buy something and it's just not right. But this time I got it right. So I'm gonna try to dig in, read some more reviews, and get you guys another haul. So tell me what you think about this hair. Tell me what you think about my outfits. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I want to give a big shout out to all my guys and gals out there for rocking with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. But before you leave, be sure to hit that like button. Come on, like this video. Let's get it poppin'. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.